Good day, dear students. How are you? You've been missed. So we are going to start with the small recap about the friendly letter that we took previously. I hope you are ready and I hope that you already know everything. So we will start with the parts of the friendly letter, which are the heading first, the salutation or the greeting, what comes after the greeting, the body, correct. What comes after the body? The closing, correct. What comes after the closing? The signature, excellent. So we are going to start with the first part, which is the heading. So as we said before, the heading can include your address and the date. In casual friendly letters, your address is not necessary. So we said before that the heading contains the address and the date. We write them on the upper right corner of the paper where we are writing our letter. So as you can see here, we have the address, the name of the street and the state, and followed by the date. After the heading comes the greeting, excellent. So in the greeting we write dear, then the name of the person we are writing for, and remember, always we write the proper name with a capital letter. And after we write the name, what do we put? A comma, excellent. So we start with, for example, dear Suzanne. Of course, we will skip a line because we are starting a new part in the friendly letter. We skip a line and then we write on the left side of the paper, dear Suzanne or dear Rami or dear whoever we want to write for, followed by a comma. So this is the greeting. After the greeting comes the body. The body of the letter is the information you are writing in your letter. So, dear Suzanne, I want to tell you about 1, 2, 3, 4 that I've done in the holidays or the vacation. So all these information we write them in the body part. Of course, we indent first. We start with the capital letter. We end each sentence with a period, and after the period we write also with a capital letter. So this would be the body. After the body comes what? The closing. The closing, we start with your friend, for example, or we can write love, or very truly yours, or sincerely. And after this comes the comma. So do not forget, when we are writing the closing, we end it with a comma. And we write it on the right bottom of the paper. So this is the closing. After the closing comes what? Comes the signature. The signature contains our name. So the signature and the greeting are the exact opposite. In the greeting, we mention the name of the person we are writing for, the receiver. In the signature, we mention our own name, the sender. So the signature comes under the closing and of course with a capital letter. Well done. Next time.